Do not defrost chicken breasts. Quick, easy, and delicious dinner. Let's start by grating a frozen chicken breast.
Take the frozen chicken into a container.
Let me know if you prefer chicken or beef recipes.
Next, I will grate 2 potatoes.
Tell me from which city you are watching us so I can send you a big hug.
Squeeze the grated potato so that all the liquid comes out. Take the potato to the chicken.
Add half a chopped onion, 1 egg, salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Then grate 200 grams of ricotta cheese. Add the cheese to the container. Add oregano to taste. And mix everything very well with your hands.
In a frying pan, add a tablespoon of butter. After the butter melts, pour in all the mixture. Don't forget to tell me how you rate this recipe from 0 to 10.
Put the lid on and let it cook for 15 minutes. With the help of a plate, I will turn it over so that it cooks on the other side. Let it cook for another 10 minutes. And our recipe is ready. It was very delicious. Thank you for watching so far. Until the next recipe, and bon appetit!